Assalamu alaikum students. Today we shall do unit 7, the youngest genius alpha cream. Its pages 45, 46, 47, 48 and multiple choice sheet. Now come to the page 45. These are answers questions. When was alpha cream born? Alpha cream was born in 1995. Which award did she win at the age of 9? She received a certificate for being the youngest Microsoft certified professional at the age of 9. Who invited Alpha came to the Microsoft headquarters in America? Bill Gates invited her to the Microsoft headquarters in America. When did Alpha Kim die? She died at a very young age. She died on January 14, 2012. What message has she given to students in Pakistan? She has given a strong message to students of Pakistan that they must follow her footsteps to achieve success in life. So what were her message? What was her message? Her message was that do not waste time and do work hard in your life. Now come to the next question, page 45. Match the word in column A with its meaning in column B. Professional will be matched in the end. A person who earns his living from a specific activity, passed away, died. Journey will be matched in the first. Moving from one place to another. Technology will be matched on second number. The result of scientific knowledge. Forums will be third. A place, a situation, a group which people exchange ideas and discuss issues. So it's a place where people sit together and discuss many issues, many matters. Genius, highly talented, creative or intelligent person. Now come to the question. Next question, it is page 46. Each sentence below contains an incomplete word. Add br, cr, dr, nd or nt to complete the word. She received the Islam Pakistan Youth Award by the President. And T will come here. Alpha King is the recipient of the Pride of Performance. Recipient means a person who gets something. There is a huge crack in the wall. Crack होता है जैसे शगाफ पड़ना शुरू हो जाता है wall में. The music band played all night. Alpha was invited by Microsoft to be part of an important session. The brave girl became famous. Her doctors gave her best treatment. I had a bad dream last night. The tree was bent to the ground. The ball crashed, crashed, on the ground. She had given a strong message for every student. The sailors finally saw land. Sailors होते हैं जो बहरी जहाज शिप चलाते हैं. Now come to the 47. Verb subject agreement. Subject verb agreement means if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. The cat jumps down. In present definite, we add s with the verb when it comes with singular noun or he and she. A plural subject must have a plural noun verb. The cats jumped down. Fill in the blank with the right form of the verb. In brackets use the simple present tense. So these we shall use the simple present tense. और आपको पता है जब simple present में he she आता है तो हम verb के साथ s ऐड करते हैं और singular noun के साथ भी जब verb आता है तो s ऐड किया जाता है. She receives worldwide fame at a very young age. So she is a singular noun. She keeps her money in her pocket. I get up early every morning. She likes playing with dolls. The girls play a game. Girls are plural noun. Children, the children talk to their teacher. Children be plural noun. And my mother cooks nice meals. Mother is a singular noun. The cat chases a mouse. The cat chases a mouse. Chase is a cat is a singular noun. So s will be added with chase. She lives in Africa. You need an other book. So come to the next question. It is page 48. Underline the simple predicate in each sentence. What is simple predicate? It is the verb in sentence. Simple meanings ये है कि ये verb भी होता है. We go for shopping. My father buys fruit. You are a good person. Simple predicate go, buys, are. सो स्टूडेंट्स अंडरलाइन द सिंपल प्रेडिकेट इन ईच सेंटेंस. हम सिर्फ वर्ब को ही अंडरलाइन करेंगे इसमें. शी रिसीव द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ द यंगेस्ट MCP इन द वर्ल्ड. इट रिसीव्ड इज अ सिंपल प्रेडिकेट. शी स्टेड इन दुबई फॉर 2 weeks. Alpha Cream received many awards. The baker sells chocolate cakes. Jamil lost the bike race. Mahmood's report is fantastic. Is a predicate here. The fox came to the tree. You are my good friend. Are is verb here, so it's a predicate. We shall underline it. Ahmad is dreaming of a trip. Both helping verb both helping verb is and dream. we shall underline them. Has, she has drawn colorful pictures. Has drawn को हम underline करेंगे, ठीक है. Now come to the objective sheets, multiple choice sheet. The following sentence is the example of my friends are waiting for me. Declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. So declarative is a simple sentence. In declarative sentence we give some information about the subject. So it's a simple statement. इसमें कोई हम इसको interrogative नहीं बनाते, negative नहीं बनाते. My friends are waiting for me is a declarative sentence. Arfa Hakim was invited by Bill Gates. The opposite of glad is sad. The similar word for affection is love. The superlative degree of good is best, B. The word with correct spellings is D. In the D, headquarters are having a correct spellings. The second form of verb feel is felt. The feminine of dog is C, bitch. Lives is the plural form of life, C. The tense used in the following sentence is we fear no one but Allah. It is present indefinite. Come to the next. Group of all countable noun is C है, house, animal, table. The meaning of eternity is D, the time without and. In which word the letter B is not silent. Thumb, lamb, climb. इनमें सब में B silent है. Describe, in describe B is not silent. In uncountable uncountable nouns are treated as singular, A. What is the positive sentence of we do not watch TV? We watch TV. The simple subject is the dash word in the complete sentence, main. We dash in Pakistan live. The masculine of niece is nephew. The last one is अच्छे लोग दूसरों का दिल नहीं दिखाते. इसकी translate of the following sentence is good people do not hurt others. So students, you will learn answer question. You will do and learn all the exercise pages of unit 7. Allah Hafiz.